Linda Rayburn's license is valid.
Thank you.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be absolutely no talking, walking around, sleeping, smoking, driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court and remain in the camera at all times. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Shawana McCullough, ticket number X 4104901, count 1, reckless driving. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Ms. McCullough. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Shawana McCullough.
Your Honor, since the officer has failed to appear for trial today, we move to dismiss.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's 9:59. No officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. McCullough. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the People versus Ryan Daniels, ticket number 217232223, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Daniels. State your name for the record, sir.
Ryan Daniels.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal readings. Mr. Daniel has not only provided me documentation that he had registration at the time of the stop, but he also provided documentation that he has current registration as well. We would like to move to dismiss for valid compliance, Your Honor.
All right, with that, do you stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Bradfield?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. Mr. Daniels, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Justin Duro. You can hang up. You're all set.
Okay.
Ticket number SP 1129485, count 1, no plates on trailer. Ticket number SP 1129483, count 1, failed to secure load to body or frame. Ticket number or count 2, failed to secure load to body or frame. And count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. DeRose, please unmute your line and state your name, sir.
Oh, Justin DeRoe. I thought it was on mute, sorry.
That's no problem. For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal readings, Your Honor. My client is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation. And that is if he was to plea to ticket number SP 1129483, count 1, failure to secure load, and also count 3, no operator license in person. The no operator license be reduced down to failure to display a license, and his other 2 matters will be dismissed. Is that your understanding of the officer?
Yes.
And is that what you would like to do today?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Bradford, was failed to secure load, was that a 3-month delayed sentence?
Give me just one moment, Your Honor. Let me pull it up. Yes, it is. Thank you, Your Honor. It is a 3-month delayed sentence, sir, which means for 3 months, don't pick up any new violations, pay the fine. At the end of 3 months, that matter will be dismissed as well.
Thank you.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Duro. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Bradfield, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to October 30th, 2020 at 11:09 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near East 6th Mile and Bloom Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
You drive a 2016 Ford vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you fail to secure a load to the body or frame of that vehicle?
It was a tarp. It was just a tarp that wasn't on it. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Did you also fail to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Ms. Bradfield?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and will proceed to sentencing. So, there's gonna be, well, okay, so for the failed to secure load, this is a 3-month delayed sentence. So it's a 3-month delayed sentence, so you're gonna come back in 3 months, you have to pay a fine, the fine is going to be $250. You come back on come back on June 2nd at 8:35. Pay the fine, don't get any more tickets, this will be dismissed off your records.
Thank you.
The other ticket, the fail to display, I'm going to waive that fine.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, so you're all set. Good luck to you, and I'll see you, you know your next court date?
Yes, ma'am. June 5th,
No,
2nd,
June 2nd,
June 2nd, sorry. Yes, June 2nd.
June 2nd at 8:35.
Okay.
See you then, good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
And Darnell, if we could have Linda Rayburn out, please.
Linda Rayburn,
Yes. Thank you.
and that's it.
Yes, I have to go back in and talk to everyone else.
Okay, hopefully she come out.
Officer Williams, good morning, sir. Joel Brooks did not appear, so we're gonna KBS him.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go in and get her.
Yes, the truth's not coming out.
Yeah, a lot of times they don't pay attention to the device, so.
I know.
You have a DOS in one of those rooms with case number next to it,
Yes,
like they missed yesterday.
right.
What we doing with that?
That was
set
it for a
pretrial.
pretrial.
I'm gonna get 2 more people out that I have to talk